Today, I'm going to teach you how to recover permanently deleted emails from Outlook. If you've ever accidentally removed an important message and thought it was gone forever, this tutorial will show you exactly how to retrieve it using Outlook's built-in recovery feature. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, log into your account and wait for all your emails to load completely. This might take a moment depending on your internet connection and how many emails you have, so give it a few seconds to fully sync before moving forward. Once your email has loaded, we're going to access the Folder tab. This is located on the top part of your screen where your menu and tools are displayed. Look for the option labeled Folder and click on it. This tab contains several important management features, but the one we need is specifically designed for recovering deleted content. If you've accidentally deleted or permanently deleted an important email, this is where you'll find the solution. From the folder menu, you'll see an option called Recover Deleted Items. Click on it and you'll be presented with a list of all deleted or permanently deleted emails. This list acts as a safety net, storing messages even after you've emptied your regular deleted items folder. Browse through the list carefully to locate the email you wish to recover. Once you've found the email, click on it to select it. You'll notice a radio button labeled Restore Selected Items. Make sure to toggle this option on as it tells Outlook that you want to restore the message back to your inbox or its original folder. After confirming your selection, click on OK to complete the recovery process. And that's it. Your permanently deleted email has now been restored and should be accessible again in your mailbox. This feature is incredibly useful for retrieving important messages that were removed by mistake or during a cleanup. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.